plug the controller in the terminal on the mat. Make sure it's in tightly. Then plug the controller in the power supply socket. It's recommended that you use the power supply socket with surge protection. To start the mat, press the power on button. The power indicator will light up. You can choose a level setting from 1 to 7. The heat indicator will light up as soon as the mat starts heating up. It will go down when the mat reaches the desired level temperature. You can choose between 3, 6, and 8 hour long sessions. To switch between those, press the timer button. Use the negative ion function to activate the negative ions. The negative ion indicator will light up. To turn it off, press the negative ion function again. Otherwise, it will turn off automatically in an hour. All the controllers have auto electromagnetic field protection. Turn the mat off, press the power button again. When you're done using the mat, first turn the controller off, then unplug the device from the power supply socket.